A simple recipe, but with the flavor of a seaside restaurant. We start with a pot full of water. As soon as it comes to a boil, add salt. Now add 3.5 ounces of spaghetti. Now, in a skillet, add a generous drizzle of olive oil. As soon as the oil heats up, add 1 clove of garlic and some parsley. Just look at that aromatic combination. Now it's time for the star of the dish. 10.5 ounces of clams. Add them to the skillet and let them sauté. Listen to that sound, that's flavor being built. Next, add a little of the spaghetti cooking water. Cover the skillet and let it cook until the clams open. Meanwhile, finely chop some more parsley. Very fine. That fresh touch at the end makes all the difference. When the clams are cooked and open, remove them from the skillet and set aside. Now, in that same flavor-packed skillet, add the cooked spaghetti. Add a little more of the cooking water and the chopped parsley. Mix well, coating every strand in that incredible sauce. Now return the clams to the skillet. Gently mix everything together. Being careful not to break the shells and making sure the flavor spreads evenly. And that's it, just serve. A simple, elegant dish full of personality. Perfect for impressing without overcomplicating. I bet you've never made a pasta salad like this before. First, add 4.2 ounces of spiral pasta to boiling water with a little salt to taste. Let it cook, and while that's happening, we can prepare the dressing. Grab a bowl and add 4.4 ounces of plain yogurt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of mustard and 1 teaspoon of honey. Right after that, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon to bring a fresh, bright touch and perfectly balance the dressing. Mix well so the flavor becomes smooth and uniform. Now add salt to taste, stir, and set aside. Check if the pasta is cooked and set it aside as well. Now let's move on to the base of our salad. Start by chopping a tomato. And while I'm cutting here, tell me, where are you watching this video from? I love knowing how far my videos reach. Next, chop the iceberg lettuce. Remember, it's different from cabbage, so be careful not to confuse them. It's lighter and crunchier, perfect for our salad. Finally, grate half a carrot to add a beautiful pop of color and freshness. Now transfer everything to a large bowl. Add sweet corn to taste, it brings a natural sweetness, and mix well. Then open a can of tuna and add it in. It will make our salad high in protein and incredibly flavorful. Mix everything and set aside while we prepare the baked pasta. Drain the cooked pasta and season it with salt and black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a drizzle of olive oil to keep everything moist and flavorful. Mix well so each piece of pasta absorbs the seasoning. Now comes the most unique part. We're going to bake the pasta. Transfer it to the air fryer, spread it out so it's not stacked, and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once it's done, combine it with the salad base we prepared: the tomato, lettuce, carrot, corn, and tuna. Mix everything very well. Finally, add our delicious dressing and stir again. Just look at that perfect combination of colors, textures, and flavors. And our baked pasta salad is ready. Easy to make, different, and simply delicious. Perfect for a light lunch, a practical dinner, or even to surprise someone you love. Give it a try and let me know what you think.